Hey guys, just got a work order that a heat pump is not cooling very well. Let's open it up, take a look, see what's going on. Jumpin' Jiminy, would you look at that? The filter's clogged. What a surprise. All right, this heat pump will be good to go for another 3 months or 30,000 miles or whatever comes first.
All jokes aside, most residents and homeowners typically only concern themselves with air filters as it pertains to air quality issues. How many allergens is this air filter going to remove? How much pollution is it going to remove from my space? What they don't realize is the vital role that air filters actually play. So once an air filter starts to get clogged, a few things will happen. One thing is you're going to get reduced airflow across your evaporator coil. Once you have reduced airflow across your evaporator coil, you are no longer absorbing heat from the space. If you are not absorbing that heat from the space, you are not rejecting that heat to the atmosphere. Once that starts to happen, then your evaporator coil can actually freeze over. And as that freezes over, then you have even more reduced airflow. And then it becomes a vicious cycle. The less airflow, lower the suction pressure, and then it just gets worse and worse and worse, ultimately resulting in a frozen coil. Your whole system could cut out on low pressure. So a few things to look for with a dirty coil, what they're going to cause. High discharge air temperature because you're not absorbing heat. Reduced airflow because it's not moving across the coil. Low suction pressure because you're not absorbing the heat. Poor air quality. All this will happen is one way to find out is you're going to have a low fan motor amp draw in your system because you're not moving air. One of the simplest things you can do to protect your air conditioning equipment is to change your filter regularly. It'll also give you the best air quality and save you money for years to come. Thanks for watching The Stationary Engineer.